On the left here is uranium, and on the right here is coffee. Coffee, the same brew that makes Monday mornings bearable, might have also solved a big problem in electron microscopy. If you want to take images of plant or animal cells with an electron microscope, you need staining, and that's because carbon by itself has a very low atomic number, and electron microscopes need materials with very high atomic numbers for electrons to scatter off of and give you contrast. So we usually stain organic materials with metals like osmium, lead, uranium, or platinum. But each of those materials has its own benefits and drawbacks. And uranium is both toxic, radioactive, and highly regulated. Despite that, uranium has been the gold standard for electron microscopy staining for the last 50 years. But this might change. Scientists have discovered that coffee and certain compounds in coffee can be a replacement for uranium in certain TEM applications. It turns out that certain organic compounds in coffee, like tannins and chlorogenic acid, make really great stains. And even though these are carbon containing molecules and they have low electron scattering cross sections, the relative number of them that bind to the sample makes them really effective, comparably so to uranium. This image above me is one of the first attempts of using coffee and comparing it to using uranium. On the left here is uranium, and on the right here is coffee. And it's really amazing how similar these images look to each other. So the next time you have a cup of joe, think about how scientists are using it to image living organisms with near atomic precision. And it's not falling asleep from spending long hours in a dark room.